So the whole point of this whole system is to repair and patch panels as accurately as possible. And to do that, the company that does the repairing, Argos, needs us to have a high level of accuracy when it comes to how we move panels across the beltway. In order to do that, we have to pull as much vacuum and suck the panels down as much as possible. The problem is that puts a lot of strain on all the motors that are involved in this dance between pulling vacuum, moving the panels, and repairing all at the same time. So what we do is we have these fans on a really tight control loop that makes sure they don't get strained too much and overheat and trip breakers and all that bad stuff. Here is an example of an unstable control loop. There's a lot of oscillation, a lot of moving back and forth around the target point. So what you do when you tune a control loop is you get it to settle around the point that you want it at, which in this case is around 30 amps. So I'm watching that while we're running panels, making sure it's responding really well to the set points and not pulling too many amps and straining the motors too much. There's 4 blowers, and then this is the motor for the vacuum belt, the big guy at the end. So what I'm watching down here is to make sure that we're not pulling so much vacuum that we overheat the motor down there and trip a breaker.